I'm at Barren Grounds. I first noticed this place when I was hanging around Kiama. I came here, but it was too late in the day to do anything in terms of walking, so I thought I'd come back and do the Griffiths Trail. I'm with my husband today. We drove from Sydney. We encountered some very thick fog, and the weather is not what I usually like. I like the very sunny blue skies, but there you have it. It's not raining though, which is good. So I will be filming as usual. I hope you enjoy the walk. I've got my poles, which I'm really enjoying. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and let's see how we go. Hi, we're back at Barren Grounds. We finished the walk, so that was the Griffiths Trail, which is about 7 kilometers. It's a loop. We actually added the return trip to Cook's Nose for an extra 5k, so all up it was about 12-13. Definitely worth doing the Cook's Nose. Very beautiful views. We started in very misty conditions. It was really wintry and cold and a bit rainy, and I left my hat in the car, and then the sun came out, and it's a lot nicer. So it was nice to have that change. I didn't take a whole lot of photos, but I have to say that the misty atmosphere around the trees was really nice. So it's not a very difficult track. There are a few places that are a bit trickier, but a lot of it is downhill. You go downhill to Cook's Nose and then back up again, but it's not very difficult. Now, when you get to Barren Grounds, coming from Robertson, you'll see a closed road, because the road between Barren Grounds, the part of Jamboree Road between Barren Grounds and almost to Jamboree really is closed, or actually no, Minamara Forest, due to a landslide. So you can't go through to Kiama from here. You'd have to go the long way around via the Macquarie Pass, which by the way is a very, very beautiful road. So if you want to come here, yeah, go through Robertson. That's the way we came. So very doable as a road trip, as a day trip from Sydney. We're about to go to Berrima and have an ice cream. So I hope you enjoyed the walk. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts if you like the walk as well, and I will be out there very soon, and I'll talk to you very soon.